Hey guys, I'm Sebastian, host of Knife Island Connection, your weekly resource for all things Vegas. Check out the description below so that you can see how you can watch our television show wherever you are. And yes, we are on social media, we're Instagramming, we're TikToking, we're everywhere. Find us, we are Knife Island Connection. So it's been a minute since we've stayed at the Cromwell, and we wanted to stay here before it changes over to Vanderpump. So we're gonna bring you a room tour of a one king, nothing fancy. This is a standard room. 847 here at the Cromwell. So right when you walk in, you're in the room. Most rooms have a little entry area when you walk in, not the Cromwell. You walk right into the living room, which is pretty awesome. I really do like these couches right here. Super chill, have a cup of coffee, have a cocktail, wait for whoever to finish getting ready. So I do like that. Somebody gets to sleep in this massive bed. I mean, look at this. Look how high this is. This is probably like the tallest bed that I've stayed in Vegas. Super big, comfy, love the extra pillows also. On the right side of the bed, you do have a plug right there in the lamp, and it actually works great. And you've got this Wi-Fi charging station too that I used. It works perfect. On the left side, you do have the same lamp, and it has a plug in it also, but you have an outlet in the wall as well. Now, this is just fine, so it's not a negative, but I've never seen a top drawer like cubby like that before. This is what you have for storage, and here's your safe. So right over here in your dresser, if you're looking for the refrigerator, Cromwell does not have a complimentary refrigerator. They do have a booze bar. You're gonna pay for this right here. Even if you try to take it out and then put it back in, you're gonna get charged. Of course, you're gonna have all your little snacks, some water and stuff right there. This is not complimentary. However, you can use that Keurig right there if you bring your own K-Cups. And then on the other side of the massive bed in the middle of the room, you got this chill little chair. And you know what? I don't mind it. I actually really like this chair. So over here, you have your giant storage. This is pretty massive. You got 3 drawers right here. Plenty of room for all of your stuff. You even have like a little secret top shelf. All right, guys, so right here, this is what you get for a window at Cromwell. Not very much at all. Now, our view wasn't the greatest. This is like the valet area at Flamingo, but you know what? It's just fine. No complaints here. You do get strip views with some of the other rooms. But you do have a little chair here. Another chair. I like it. Let's check out the bathroom. It's actually, I really like this bathroom for this shower feature. I love this shower right here. You've got the rain shower up there, which I use, and you've got the wand right there as well. The bench, I've used that as well. Crank up the heat, sit there, steam out all of the booze from the night before. And you've got all your soap, conditioner, body wash. Now here's a look at the rest of the bathroom. Now overall, the bathroom is fairly small, but it's really nice. They do have a separate toilet area, which I do appreciate, but there's no door. And this window right here used to open, but it doesn't any longer. Now, while the bathroom doesn't have that much space for your stuff, as you can see right there. You do have the vanity that's right outside of the bathroom that you can put some extra stuff on. Don't forget to check out our merchandise shop right here. We've got your t-shirts, your hats, coffee mugs, everything Ninth Island Connection. So overall, I'd have to say that it's a pretty cool boutique hotel and the rooms match the vibe. All right, guys, that's a wrap on this one. It's checkout day. We were here for 2 nights, and I have to say, overall, this is a comfortable room, plenty of space for us for 2 nights and all of our stuff. It never felt cluttered. The bed is so comfortable. Slept fantastic. The only negative thing that I will say, oh, and this is room 847, before I forget, I know you guys are gonna ask. The only negative thing that I can say really has nothing to do with the room. It's just we were next to housekeeping's door. And so it got really loud around 8 a.m. Did wake me up, just the banging next door for housekeeping. Next time I know if we do stay here again, when it's Vanderpump, whenever that happens, I will request to not be next to housekeeping. You can hear it right there. It's still going. So that's the only negative thing that I have to say. So if you're looking to stay here, put in a request to be far away from housekeeping's door. Other than that, I think you guys would be fine. That's a wrap on this one, so don't forget to check out the description so that you can see how you can watch our television show. Also hit us up on social media. We're Instagramming, we're TikToking, we're threading, we're Facebooking, we're everywhere. We are Ninth Island Connection. Ninth Island Connection highlights Las Vegas businesses, entertainment, events, and activities on and off the Strip, keeping our viewers connected with the Ninth Island of Las Vegas. From local mom and pop restaurants to those owned and operated by top chefs, from kitchen action to the inspiration behind the dishes, we deliver the culinary creations of Vegas. From Las Vegas entertainers and athletes to all of the exciting activities and experiences around the Vegas Valley, we keep our viewers connected with all of the excitement that the entertainment capital of the world has to offer. Of course, we can't forget about the casinos that make Vegas, Vegas, with exclusive tours of the incredible amenities and beautiful accommodations, getting right in the heart of the casino floor action and entertainment, as well as interviews with casino owners, CEOs, GMs, and executive chefs. We bring the Las Vegas Casino into our viewers' homes. Highlighting lesser-known areas like the Fremont East District, the Arts District, and Brewery Row, we bring attention to these small businesses that have become fast favorites in the local community. We bring our viewers a complete Vegas experience. We also invite our viewers along as we venture into the great outdoors of the Las Vegas Valley, sharing short road trips, hikes, and the unique sights found in the Mojave Desert. Great people, great stories, great connections, only on Ninth Island Connection.